Hi guys, we're just about to go ballooning. We're in Camden, New South Wales, so we're going to take you on the adventure. This is my treat for the 200th subscriber, so come with us now and we'll go ballooning. Wow, this is amazing. Peaceful and quiet, just whisper quiet. That's it guys, it was absolutely a beautiful treat up there. There were moments where it was like whisper quiet. You can't hear the wind because we're traveling with the wind, so we become just a part of the wind. It was such an amazing treat. Yeah, so Hope you enjoyed the journey, and until next time, guys, much love to you. Bye bye for now. Take care. Hi guys, just letting you know that we're just about to go ballooning, and I think I've got to help them get a little bit. Shit, it gets bloody close to the balloon itself.